I'm Nina. I'm a paramedic here at Universal. I'm an instructor coordinator. I've been here 10 years, and today we're going to go over the oxygen fill station. So, first thing you're going to want to do is get your oxygen tank ready. You want to inspect it, make sure that it's all intact. Before you take the regulator off, make sure that your tank is closed or you're just going to lose everything that's in there. So, turn to the left. All right, it's closed. Next thing you want to do is inspect your regulator. This is what delivers the oxygen to your patient with the dial. You want to make sure that it goes to at least 15. Some of them go to 25. You want to make sure that there's no dust, there's no debris on the inside connection, and then right inside there is a little rubber O-ring. You want to make sure that's in place or else you're just going to lose all your oxygen. So once you get the regulator taken off, you can set it aside, and we're going to hook this one up. To fill the portables, it's got this extension on it. If it doesn't have the extension on it, it should be somewhere on this table. You're going to take the two prongs and line them up with these two holes right here, just like that. You know, ideally this would be easier. Go ahead. There it goes. Tighten it on there. It doesn't have to be super tight, just a good, little bit. Go ahead and open the tank. And then this dial right here, if there was anything in the tank, it would indicate how much PSI is in this portable. So since we're at 0, we can assume that this thing is empty. So now we're going to go up to these numbers. These little magnets here are going to guide you whichever knob 1 is on, that's going to be the first one you start with. That's going to be the lowest tank in the big Cascade system. So with your tank open, you're going to slowly turn this to the left. It'll start making a bunch of crazy noises. And watch this dial. And once this number matches up with that number, you can shut this down. Okay, and we'll turn that off, and then we'll move on to number 2. Always follow the order of the magnets, don't make up your own order. So then you open this one, and watch the dial. All right, and then shut it down, and move on to the next one. Okay, and then once your fill pressure dial matches the highest number dial, then you can know that your tank is full, or at least it has the fullest amount of the Cascade system. You're going to want to take your key, make sure that this thing's shut, that's the regurgitation valve, and open it up. I'm sorry, close it. We're going to have to do that. And then you want to regurgitate everything that's in the line before you take this off. So turn this dial, all the air will bleed out of the line. Once this gets down to 0, okay. Take your tank key, shut the tank. Okay, close that. And then just to double check that it is full, you can open the tank back up, and this dial should match that dial. Every time you open it, though, you want to regurgitate the line. This is super loud when you take the regulator off. Shut that off. Take this thing off. Take your regulator from your truck. Put it back on. And then just double check that it's full. Which this one is. We've correctly filled it.